common procedure for strapping down lumber would be to strap from side to side, but what could happen is when you go around a curve with a heavy load, the lumber could slide to the left or to the right, and eventually wiggling the lumber out, and the center of gravity eventually comes outside and the lumber falls out of your truck. So what we want to do here is we want to utilize our donuts for a tie down strapping system to make carrying the load safer. So what I've done is I've hooked the donut, looped through, come back up and go back over the lumber. And the reason I'm doing this is so when I tighten it down, I change the tie down point. So I change the tie down point so that when we strap it, we're only strapping from here to here rather than from here to here. Strapping from here to here on a single board or a double board would still allow the board to slide underneath like I showed you before. But when you have your pivot points here and your pivot points here, it makes this really tight and the board can't go left or right. If it can't go left or right, it can't slide out. And if it doesn't slide out, the center of gravity actually stays on top of the tailgate extension.